Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the team. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about why I bought some Google stock. We're going to be breaking down my mindset, my strategy behind it, and what I think kind of is going on. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of it, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, we talk about everything money, stocks, money management, trading, investing. So subscribe, join the team, and if you guys want to learn about swing trading, I just released a brand new course, and you guys can use code YouTube to get 20% off. I'll put it down below so you guys can check it out, but let's dive into it. So starting off is what has been going on with Google. Well, looking at the chart, you guys will see the stock went from about $140 all the way down to $122. You guys will see it sold off, a lot. Now, this was because of an earnings report. This is when the company comes out and they give you all of the fundamentals about the stock. They give you the revenue, they give you the things they need to improve on. And honestly, they did relatively good. They beat their revenue expectations. They were expected to bring in about $75 billion. They brought in $76 billion. YouTube advertising were up. The only issue we saw was on Google Cloud. Now, the reason why this is super important is because this is one of the more important. This is a key area of investment. As you guys can see, Alphabet Cloud's unit has been a key investment as the company tries to catch Amazon Web Services and Microsoft. Now, for those of you that don't know, Microsoft released their earnings and it was the complete opposite. They did really well, going up, well over 9% in value in a single day, which is a crazy move. But starting off is, why am I buying Google? Well, looking at the chart, you guys will see that we've seen general sell-off from this stock. It's gone from $150 all the way down to about $83, establishing pretty hard support there. You guys will see it got several times, it hit it, and we just got natural buying pressure. Now, as we kind of broke above that red line here, that red line is something called the 200 moving average line. When the stock is below it, it acts as resistance. When the stock is above it, it acts as support. You guys will see it hit it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. We got buying pressure near and around there every single time. On top of that, as we zoom in here, you guys will see we have something called a doji. Now, this candlestick is a reversal candlestick. So what I think is going to happen, I think we've had this crazy move where the stock sold off. It sold off billions of dollars since Google is over $1 trillion company. That is billions of dollars of market cap that this stock has sold off. Now, what I am doing is I'm hopping in on Google near and around 122, right in this zone here. And the reason why is because I understand this red line acts as very hard support. On top of that, yes, they did miss their earnings here on their Google Cloud, I believe is what they call it. Yeah, Google Cloud here. They missed their revenue, but at the end of the day, their overall revenue is still up. Their YouTube advertising is up, and a variety of other things are up, as you guys can see. Comparing that, this was Alphabet's or Google's worst day since the start of all the lockdowns in March of 2020. So I definitely think right now, if we just look back at previous history, every time the stock has sold off that much in a single day, we get tendencies of getting buying pressure shortly after, right? We had that crazy sell-off, and then we shortly got buying pressure. We had crazy sell-off, we had buying pressure, crazy sell-off, buying pressure, crazy sell-off, buying pressure. So right now, I would be surprised, if we don't get buying pressure at least back up to like 130. So technically, I could set my stop loss at 120, risk $2 to possibly make $8 if it comes back up to that 90 moving average line. That's a very strong swing trade. On top of that, Google as a long-term investment is a very strong company. We've seen price targets well over, for 2024, 2025, well over 200 and 250 per share. So I definitely think right now, yes, we're seeing volatility, but what stock isn't? What stock isn't getting volatility? What, index? Looking at the S&P 500 in ETF here, you guys will see that we've seen general sell-off here over the past couple of months. We're breaking down to a very hard support here, and it's just breaking down. So right now, I just think the whole market in general is volatile, and I would rather buy these stocks that I like at just a more affordable price, for the long run. as well as a possible opportunity for a swing trade. But it's a great pick. I'm super excited to see where it goes. And I understand Google is a growth stock, so it's going to be volatile. It's going to go up and down at rapid rates. I'm completely well aware of it. And I keep all my growth stocks under 5% of my portfolio because they're growth stocks. I never go heavy into them. I dollar cost average them, get a good average price for my shares. But I definitely think right now for Google, it does represent a good opportunity to just start that process back up of buying here. And on top of that, it's right on a strong support. So we'll see what happens with it, but I'm buying some. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Take care, guys. Hope you guys had a good one.